Problem is, I was in the process of painting chair, and my battery ran out, so I'm back again. Seems like I got half a can, and wow, is it covering? Really good. Did you get that? Did you get any of that? That chair was blue, like that one over there. That's what that one was. Right there is not blue anymore. It's black. And what I have to do now is I have to hit it from the top. You know what I mean? The top. I have to bring it down and let it sit like it normally would. Oh, I see a spot already. I probably see more if I turn the chair. But let's look at that, because I don't have much left. I don't even have enough for another chair. So let's go up and vacuumate, because, yep, you got it. Sharon's up. So since she's up, I can vacuumate. And wash the floor. Ooh, might as well take up the bucket while I'm down here, the water bucket. With the not the water in it. It doesn't have water in it yet, but it's full of water, so I'm going to take that with me. Because that's what I'll need to wash the floor. Okay? Okay, let's get that bucket. There it is right there, isn't it? There it is. That's what we're looking for. Hang on. Not into the sunlight. Alright, we'll shut you off for now. No metal.